Hey, this is Carlin Wilson, and today's video is FlyLady Baby Step Day 18. Today's baby step is to read the 11 commandments on FlyLady's website. And so these commandments are kind of something we can print out and add to our control journal that's going to remind us of the important things on this journey. There are things like dressing to shoes and shining our sink, but there are also things like taking time for yourself and laughing every day. The one that stuck out to me was commandment number 8. And she talks about making time to do something for yourself every day, maybe even every morning and every night. Okay, so this one stood out to me because I know a lot of us can have a hard time with finding something even weekly that we love to do, that we are doing just for ourselves. And so I really like the idea of even just if it's something small in the morning and something small in the evening that we do that is just for ourselves, that we do that's a form of self-care, that is something that we can indulge in and really appreciate ourselves for what we're doing and what we're learning and how we're growing and rewarding ourselves as well. And so I don't think this needs to be anything elaborate, but I do think it needs to be something that you've thought about and that it's something that you enjoy. And so I'm going to brainstorm some kind of simple self-care ideas, and I'm going to post that down below as well with the free calendar that you can print out to get all the 31 days of baby steps. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already to follow along with all the 31 days of baby steps and build these new habits with us. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.